You learnt, this is a song you learnt at music at school? Okay, take 2 steps forward and sing your song.
Mother Gooney bird had 7 chicks. 7 chicks had Mother Gooney bird, and they couldn't walk and they couldn't talk, but they all could go like this. One wing, Mother Gooney bird, 7 chicks. 7 chicks had Mother Gooney bird, and they couldn't walk and they couldn't talk, but they all could go like this. 2 wings, Mother Gooney bird, and 7 chicks. 7 chicks had Mother Gooney bird, and they couldn't walk and they couldn't talk, but they all could go like this. 1 foot, Mother Gooney bird, and 7 chicks. 7 chicks had Mother Gooney bird, and they couldn't walk and they couldn't talk, but they all could go like this. 2 feet, Mother Gooney bird, and 7 chicks. 7 chicks had Mother Gooney bird, and they couldn't talk, but they couldn't walk, but they all could go like this. 1 head, Mother Gooney bird, and 7 chicks. 7 chicks had Mother Gooney bird, and they couldn't walk and they couldn't talk, but they all could go like this.
Well done, Julie.